Looks like the 70s just called. Looks like they want me back in time. I'm gonna have to go back there and right some wrongs. Hopefully I blend in. Ooh-wee. Look what I finally found. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Giddy up. So all this is basically something I made a long time ago. It's off an older one. Sometimes the bolt holes will not line up. Sometimes they will. In this case, it seems to be lining up no problem. You don't need very many in there. It's just enough to, see if this thing turns over. And well, I just leaned on it a little bit, and guess what? She is loose. She's loose, baby. She did come loose. So that's good. That's awesome. That means this thing will be a runner. So I'm just going to go through every cylinder now and, hand clean them up as best as I can. Give it one hell of a bath, I guess. Clean the sludge off. Then you fuel pump, do this, do that, timing chain. And, yeah. We'll see. Or maybe I'll just take it right apart and check everything out. I don't know. But this part of will it run, she will probably run. Hoo-hoo. Go get you some. Well, back to the old 400 here. Flipped her up. Knocked the pan off. She's still a bit kind of tight. Kind of looking here. Doesn't look like it's ever been apart. Nothing stamped. No pistons or anything. Or taken out. But, so what's weird about this is, pop the pan off, and, this fell out. Now, you know what that is? That is a bolt for the pistons. But, if you look at here, all the bolts, they're all there. Everything's there. Yep, those ones are there, and those ones are there. So I'm kind of confused. I was checking, and everything seems tight. Everything seems normal here, without taking the bearings off to really take a look. But nothing seems odd. Nothing seems off. So did they dump that, lose that at the factory or something? I'm still trying to figure out where that came from, or how it even got there. The motor came with extra parts, I guess. Yeah, so that was bouncing around in the bottom of the oil pan. But yet it doesn't look like it came from this engine. Weird. Like I said, the pickup's nice and clean even. So, not like this here engine wasn't exactly what you would call not well maintained. This thing is definitely well maintained. Even the timing chain looks alright. Other than there's usual sludge down there from sitting and whatever else, but really nothing out of the ordinary. So, yeah. I'm really confused now. So I will be taking the pistons out. Like I said, so one of these are feeling kind of tight, so yeah. So we're going to take them off, check all the rings, make sure everything's nice and clean there. Probably give it a bit of a hone job just to get the cross hatches back in her. And yeah, just reassemble. That's what I'm thinking. Well, power's out due to scheduled maintenance by Manitoba Hydro. They're fixing something, so the power may or may not be out for anywhere from 1 to 4 hours. You never know. So now it's kind of dark in here. So we'll get some flashlights, get ready. Getting kind of cold. Doors open still. And yeah. Continue plugging away on this thing, I guess. And yeah. We'll see what we can get done here. Hopefully not too dark. Well, if all else fails, and I need to get something else going or whatever, I got this little baby sitting here. Yeah. So, we'll see. Might have to hook something up to it. Get things going, hook it up to something or other. Yeah. See how well this thing works.
Our intelligence shows us that there was Nazis at the trucker convoy. So did you identify the guy who was actually holding the Nazi flag? No. Why not? The person holding that flag is unimportant, okay? Everyone else is a Nazi.